You wanna see an amazing falls? Look at it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at us. We're going.
Look underwater. I mean, go underwater, Nana.
Yeah, I'm coming with you. Okay, guys. We are here. Anyone that loves nature, this place is here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this one. There's people there. While your kids is over there swimming, you can do barbecue there. And look at those wonderful nature. Wow, look at that. Where are you gonna find a place like this? And here we are. Weather like this, a little bit rain, but hey, how about your coffee? You cannot find any better quiet place than this. Nature. There. Did you look it? Look at the nature. And my coffee. So this place is amazing. This place is wonderful for outing. To your family, to your friends, for everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The water is not that cold. The water is around 18, 19 degrees. A little bit cold, but we can take it. As long as you've been active, you're not stopping. You keep moving. This is the best nature ever. Look at this. Wow. 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 It's hard footing. It is rats.
You coffee, Dad. I saw you coffee.
You saw my coffee flying?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, I saw you coffee, Dad.
Best.
I saw you coffee.
Look at Andre. Look at my boy. My boy is having a good time. That's what this life is all about, my friend. Welcome to my life. Give me a minute and then after you are You don't hear nothing. There's no music. Pure nature. Welcome. Right here.
I got teased.